Hi, this is Mrs. Labar again. I've got a quick video tutorial on how to request counselor recommendations for your college admissions process. First, these are the steps. You're going to want to complete the counselor recommendations surveys. There's a parent survey and a student survey in Naviance. Then you're going to want to schedule a college recommendation appointment with your counselor. You can do those in reverse order too, but it's important that the surveys are completed by the time you meet face-to-face with your counselor. Make sure that you're allowing 2 to 3 weeks from this appointment when you meet with your counselor so that we have plenty of time to write your recommendation. Now I'll show you how to get there and do this in Naviance. Okay, so I've logged into Naviance and you can see I'm at the home page. Now what you're going to do is to find the counselor recommendation surveys, you're going to go over to the top tabs and select About Me. Then you can go to About Me Home if you want to, but I usually go straight to My Surveys. Click there, and you're going to select Surveys Not Started. This is going to show you 3 different surveys that are available to senior students. 2 of them are the Blue Valley West Counselor Recommendation Parent Survey and the Counselor Recommendation Student Survey. You will go ahead and complete these on your own. There's a 5-question open-ended question survey for parents. This is a time where parents can just brag on their kiddos. And then the student survey will probably take you about 30 to 45 minutes to fill out. Please know that anything you type on this page is just for the counselor's use only. We just use these documents to get a full picture of everything you have done in high school so that we can use the information that we already know about you, we know from your teachers and know from your academic records, and make sure that we can really give life to that transcript and talk about you as a student here at Blue Valley West amongst your peers. The other survey that you see is for the UMKC 6-year med program, and since that application is quite different, the recommendation for both teachers and counselors is very different. For any student interested in doing that 6-year med program, that survey will need to be filled out as well that the teachers and counselors will use. So if you have any questions or need more information, feel free to stop by the counseling office in room 315.